everyone, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Vanika. I am from grade 5E. Today I am going to say a poem. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, get up and come and play with us. Oh, get up and come and play with us. You can see the birds singing on the trees. You can see the birds singing on the trees. You can hear the...
Hi everyone, my name is Mukhtar and I am from 5th B. I am participating in Literary Week Day 3 activity. The name of the poem is Seasons. January is cold, filled with snow. February is pleasant, so very pleasant. March is filled with flowers. It's time to play. April is so hot, it's time to swim. May is...
Everybody, my name is Sihat Sahasra. I am learning in 5th B. I am saying a poem as a part of poem telling activity. Grandpa dropped his glasses once in a pot of dye, and when he put them on again, he saw.
Good evening everyone, my name is Sahiti. I am from 5th B. I am going to tell today a poem. The poem title is Bird Talk. Think, said the ruby, think, said the joy, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They do not have...
Everyone, my name is A. Samsha from 5th grade. Today, I am going to recite a poem of Aim High to the Sky. So let's start. Aim high to the sky in all that you do, because you just never know. Monkeys are jumping on the bed, one fall down and bump high. Mama called the doctor and doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Two little monkeys jumping on the bed, one fall down and bump his hand. Mama called the doctor and doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed, one fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Now story explanation now. Three little monkeys were three little monkeys. Poem recitation for the literary week. When I play football for the football team at school, no one takes me seriously. My right foot is on my left foot, my left is on my right, my socks are in my arm, my shorts are far too tight. I shouldn't have done my gym just in case I am fouled. My laces on the shoes are 5 wires long. I need 2 weeks for each man so I can put them on. They asked me to play slippers, so I bought on my mom's over and swept up their forward shorts. Brilliant ran me over. They asked about my shooting and how could I hit back. I got my rifle, but they made me put it back. This is Literary Week. Literary Week, second day, is poem telling time. So here I am going to tell a poem about apple. So let's start. Up in the ground, high up the tree, I see an big round apple. I climb up the tree and hold on tight. I pick that apple and hold a big bite. Tasty. Friends, daily eat an apple. You will be healthy and you will get energy. Bye. Good morning, ma'am. Hi, friends. Today I am going to tell a poem. Things said Robin, things said Jay, sitting in a garden and talking one day. Talk about people, the way they grow, the way they grow. They don't have feathers, they don't have feathers at all, you know. At all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't eat beetles. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow feathers, they don't grow wings. They don't grow wings,
They don't like to sitting in a wires and things. Sitting in a wires and things. Things said the robin, things said the Jane. People are funny to be this way. Thank you, ma'am.
నమస్కారాలు అందరికీ. నేను ఇప్పుడు దోశమ్మ దోశ పోయం చెప్తున్నాను. దోశమ్మ దోశ వేడి వేడి దోశ, నాన్నకి 3, మమ్మీకి అమ్మకి 2, నాకు 1. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi all, my name is Vikruti. 2 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell off and the bum fled. Mommy called a doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on a bed. Thank you.
Hi everyone. My name is Sanvita. Cat sleep anywhere, any table, any chair. Top of the piano, window edge. In the middle, on the edge. Open drawer, empty shoe. Anybody's lap will do.
Good evening everyone. My name is Shraddha Samanita. My name is the cupboard. I know a little cupboard with a teeny tiny key. Has a jar of lollipops for me. And there is a very little shelf, my dear, as dark can be. There's a dish of Bunbury cakes for me. Thank you.
Water is blue. What is pink? A rose is pink.
Oh Mr. Sun,
Rain, go my way. And I won't do any less. My work will always please you. And I won't accept a mess. I'll color very carefully. My writing will be neat. I won't be happy till. Good morning everyone. My name is Saji. I am studying 3rd H. I am going to tell about a poem. Poem name is Nature. Nature is mine. Nature is strong. Nature is beauty. Nature is moody. Nature is green. Nature is blue.
Good morning everyone. My name is Akshita. I am from 3H. I like to perform a poem. God's love. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. So high we can't go over it.
The roses, pocket full of posies. Asha, busha, all fell down. Nature. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying. The breeze is so cool. The mother nature is trying her best.
Hello everyone, I am Vanchika Sai from 3J. Today I am going to recite a poem. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. A chick.
Hello everybody, my name is Rita. Do you like to go up in a swing? Oh, up in the air so blue. Oh, I think it is the most pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall till I can see so wide.
3 little monkeys are jumping on a bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called her daughter and daughter said, no more monkeys jumping on a bed.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Taniru Manvit. Today I am going to talk about literary week poem Slam. My poem name is Let's Preserve Our Nature. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying, and the breeze is so cool. Mother Nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness. What do we do? Just make her a mess. Let's make her the best by polluting less and less. Preserve her green dress for kids under the rest.
Friends at school can play and share. Friends at school are kind and fair. Friends at school will talk to you when you are feeling sad and blue. Friends at school are big and small. Friends at school rise like sudden fiery flowers that burst upon the night, then fall to the earth in burning showers.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Lakshmi. I'm studying Fuji. Today I'm telling one poem. That poem name is Shapes Poem. Let's start. Shapes, shapes, my many shapes. There are many colors and many shapes. Like a circle, like a square, like a triangle, like a rectangle. Circle is like a steering wheel. It, for example, is a ball. Square, 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 square. Square is like a chessboard. Chessboard. For square's example is chessboard. Triangle, triangle. It is triangle. For triangle have three sides. For triangle example is Goa peace. Rectangle, rectangle. It is four sides and four corners. For rectangles example is book. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Faria Tashir and I am going to read a poem. Your best. If you always try your best, then you will never have to wonder about what you could have done if you would summoned all your thunder, and if your best was not as good as you hoped it would be, you still could say, I gave today all that I had in me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anish. I am from 4th F. Today I am going to read about an poem, Leaf at Play. Slampers little leaves about in the autumn sun. I can hear the old wind shout, love. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because
Flash on a bird, I said the fish, but nobody heard. Who saw the fog come over the sea? I said the pigeon, only me. Who saw the first green light of the sun?
5, 6, pick up the 6. 7, 8, lay them straight.
Grow. A little sun, a little shower, a little while, and then a flower.
Time by William Shakespeare. Time is very slow for those who wait, very fast to those who are scared, very long for those who lament, very.
The poem's name is Little Things. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the
It's the funniest thing, the way it stuck right on where all of it show.
It's our country. It's our right to keep bright. It's our duty to keep beauty. Every state, every street, every city, every colony, we should maintain neat.
Today I am going to recite a poem about summer season. Summer is too hot. Drink water from the pot. Here fruits are wonderful and ate some tasty flavors and mouthful. Roadside full of water.
Saying a poem. Aim high to the sky in all that you do, because you just never know that it takes to be strong, brave, and at a time be kind. Always remember that you are using your brain. Once again, aim high to the sky in all that you do, because you just never know that what it takes to be strong, be brave, and at a time be kind. And always remember that you are using your brain. Be strong, be brave, and be kind. Thank you.